Reward games that actually pay should explain how the earning system works, how rewards are redeemed, and what players need to do before spending hours inside the app. By the end, you'll know how to identify real money-making games, how to spot fake payment claims, and what checks to complete before trusting any reward app. The first thing to check is whether the game explains its reward system clearly. A legitimate reward game should tell you what activities earn rewards and how those rewards become available. Some games offer rewards through gameplay, challenges, competitions, or completing specific tasks. The important part is understanding the rules before you invest your time. The second thing to check is payment proof. Screenshots showing large payments can be edited, outdated, or taken out of context. Instead of trusting a single image, check whether the game has clear payout information, consistent user feedback, and a visible redemption process. The third thing to look at is how rewards are delivered. A reliable game should explain what reward options are available and what steps users follow to claim them. Before starting a game, check the withdrawal or redemption section. This helps you understand whether the reward process is realistic and whether there are requirements you need to complete. User reviews can also reveal problems that promotional screenshots do not show. Look for comments about delayed payments, missing rewards, confusing rules, or changes to the earning system. You should also pay attention to how much personal information the game requests. Review permissions and account requirements before creating an account. A game that pays real rewards should focus on clear rules, transparent payment methods, and a simple user experience. The goal is not just finding a game that promises money, but finding one that explains exactly how the process works. Before downloading any money-making game, check 3 things: the reward rules, the payment process, and feedback from actual users. A practical next step is to test one game with a small amount of your time, track how rewards are earned, and decide if the experience matches what was advertised. If this helped you avoid fake reward claims, like the video and subscribe for more guides about apps, games, and online earning platforms.